Hey everybody, it's Cat Colors across all social media platforms, and today I'm bringing you a polished and poised updo on my short hair. But don't fret, this works perfectly for long hair as well. I just have to take a few extra steps because my hair is shorter. So tools you'll need is you're going to want to start with some rubber bands that match the color of your or your client's hair and bobby pins. This is part 1, where I'm going to teach you how to snatch up that pony. If you already know how to do that, go ahead and skip to part 2. Step 1 to laying down my coarse hair is using Thrill from OSiS. This is the elastic fiber gun that's going to help me get that snatched look all the way around my hairline. I did a light layer of that just to start pushing my hair in the direction that I want it to lay. So now I'm using my finger to do a quick zigzag parting through my hair. You can always use a sharper object for this if you don't have nails. But right now I'm dividing my hair into 4 sections. So when I take a section here right off of my parietal ridge, you're going to see that in my left hand, I will be holding 1 section, and then in my right hand will be section number 2. So imagine this mirrored on the other side of my head, creating 4 sections total. Now I want to go in and use that Thrill to my ability. I'm going to go in with a bit of a thicker layer now and start pushing the hair in the direction to get a nice snatched pony. Once I have it coated, I'm going to go in with my boar bristle brush and snatch it up. Going in with the zigzag partings on all 4 of these sections will help ensure that I'm not going to have any harsh lines in the end result of my snatched pony. You want to secure each of these 4 sections at the back towards the crown of the head with a little rubber elastic band. Make it nice and tight, and then we're going to focus on the side section. Once I get a nice coating of product on this side section, my next priority is going to be getting the right angle. Following my cheekbone or on yourself or your client, just like a painting, will draw the eye up, giving you a more lifted and youthful and refreshed appearance. Making sure to comb over the parting line. Then I'm going to secure that section with another elastic band. Now that we've created 2 tiny ponytails, I am going to make them into 1 bigger ponytail. So I'm just going to gently pull them together and then take another elastic band and then secure that as one. When pulling tight on the ponytail, make sure that you don't create any additional bumps or ripples in the hair. We're going to mirror that on the exact opposite side to create 2 tiny ponytails. Once we have our tiny pigtails, we're going to secure them as one. These steps might seem unnecessary to most people, but that must mean you have long hair. So this is a great way to do it if you have short hair. If there is any little bumps or things that stick out, this is the perfect time to go ahead and secure that down with a bobby pin to smooth out both sides of your hairline. Come check out part 2 to see how we polish this bad boy up.